Hey guys, hi. Welcome to the Coder Forest YouTube channel. I am your friend Pankaj, and in this video we will learn states in React. Okay, so let's move on it. So what is state? A state is a built-in React object that is used to contain data or information about the component. Just remember that state is a React object that is used to contain data or information about the component. Okay, the state object where you store the property values. The state object where you store the property values that belongs to the component. Understood? It store the property values. When state object changes, the component re-render. Understood? When the state object changes, the component re-rendered. Actually, you will understand this in practical. So we will actually work with functional component, and for functional component we use useState hook. Okay, so let's move on the practical. So guys, if you not yet subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel and like the video so that more and more student will watch this video. So guys, this is the app.js file, and in that app.js file, before the return we will define our constant. Okay, so just type use state. Okay, can you see use state here? I just click on it and you can see it import the use state from React. Okay, so this is the use state hook. Okay, now I just define constant. Suppose I take variable counter. This one is set counter. Okay, equal to use state. Okay, so guys, I have defined count using use state method. Okay, so guys, this one is the variable, this one is the variable, and this one is the function. Okay, this one is the variable, we can say this one is the object, and this one is the function. Okay, and using use state function we have write this. Now in the use state function, suppose I put 0 here. Suppose I put 0 here. In the parameter it takes initial state. Okay, so now the value is 0. Okay, now the initial value is 0. Okay, so let's print it. Suppose I take division and count value is, in the curly braces we print the count. Okay, now we will just run this npm start. So it will take little time to run. Oh, it is already running. I am making this screen little big so that you can see properly. So now it is printing the count value is 0 because we have said its initial value is 0. So its initial value become 0. That's why it is printing 0. That's why count store the value 0. This count variable store the value 0. Okay, understood? Now using set counter we will set the counter. Okay, suppose I take button. You know button, actually you know HTML, right? So I take a button here and name it increment counter. Okay, okay, can you see button here, increment counter? Okay, now on click event I make a little anonymous function here. Okay, so what will it do? It will set the counter. It will set the counter. And what I will do here, in the set counter, in this set counter function, I will add counter plus 1. Okay, and I will save it. Now when we click on this button, it will increment the counter one by one. Okay, now see, suppose I click on this counter, it will increment by 1. Yes, it is increment again. Yes, it is incrementing. So it is incrementing. Okay, understood? And suppose you put again another button and set -1. Okay, and name it decrement counter. Okay, so when you click here, it will decrement the counter. This will increment the counter and this will decrement the counter. Okay, understood? Now we will take HR here. HR, you know the HTML, so I will not tell here what is HR. And suppose we take cons name and set name. Okay, and we will use useState, and in this constant we will not set initial state. Okay, now suppose I take division and I take my name is, and in the parenthesis I just print the name here. Okay, and I take the input, you know the input because you know the HTML, so I take its name is equal to name and ID is equal to name, and on change event. Okay, on change event I make a little anonymous function set name. Okay, set name. Now this set name function will set the name and it will print the name here. Okay, set name e dot target dot value. Now you are confused, what is e dot target dot value? Okay, so e is the event and target value is this element value. Okay, now we have set the name e dot target dot value. Okay, now if I go here, now you can see my name is, and there is a input box here. Suppose I put the name here Pankaj. So can you see the name? And on change it is changing the number. Okay, suppose I change here welcome to the, I am putting here coder forest YouTube channel. So it is changing the state. On the on change event it is changing the name. Welcome to the Google. Okay, you can write anything and it will change the name. Okay, so this was all about the useState. I hope you understand, and if you have any query, please write in the comment. I will make the video on that. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel so that more and more students can watch it. Thank you so much.